Today we're going to solve set 5 problems 3 and 4. Problem 3. Each of these figures is based on a rectangle whose center is shown. How many of the figures have rotational symmetry of order 2? Now rotational symmetry means a shape looks identical after being rotated by a certain angle around a central point. And the order of rotational symmetry indicates how many times the shape matches itself during a full 360-degree rotation. Now let's look at the first shape. So it's just a rectangle, it's just a plain rectangle without any lines. And I'm going to number the corners as 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if we rotate 180 degrees, the rectangle would look the same, but the corners will be in different location. And those are the two shapes that looks the same after rotating 180 degrees. So this shape has order of rotational symmetry of order 2. So the first shape is true. And for the second shape, we have a V. Now, for this shape, we have to rotate 360 degrees to have the original shape, which means it has a rotational symmetry of order 1. So the second shape is false. And for the third shape, we have a line passing through. Now again, we have to rotate 360 degrees to get the same shape. It doesn't work when we rotate 180 degrees because the line would be at the top. So the third shape is also false. Now for the fourth shape. We have a diagonal in a rectangle. We're going to number the corners again. Now if you rotate 180 degrees, we have a rectangle with a diagonal pointing the same direction, but the corners are in different location. So the fourth shape is true. Now for the fifth shape, we have a line passing through the center. And now we're going to number the corners again. And when we rotate 180 degrees, we have the same shape, but the corners are in different positions. So out of these five rectangles, 3 rectangles have rotational symmetry of order 2. So D is the correct answer. Problem 4. How many centimeters are there in 666 meters? So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 666 meter is equal to 666 times 100 centimeters, which is C. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you again. Bye.